Today we're working on a free motion treadmill, and what's going on here is it's got a button stuck. Interestingly, it's a button we never use, the set a goal button. When you turn it on, it goes into the set a goal mode, and then nothing else works. So this is the screen it gets stuck on. Again, it's just like someone has pressed that button and won't let go, and none of the other buttons work. So I've decided to try some different repairs from the least intrusive to the most intrusive. First thing I did is I tried massaging the buttons based on some info I found online. That did not provide any benefit at all. So now we're going to gently heat the button pad with a hairdryer, and then we'll plug it back in, try it again, and see if that helps. So I just want to mention that while heating, I'm going to use both hands here because I'm going to check and make sure that we're not getting this too hot to touch. And I'm thinking if we keep it cool enough that it's just hot but not too hot to keep your hand on, that's the temperature I'm shooting for. We'll try not to damage anything by following that guideline. Okay, so it's the moment of truth here. We've plugged it back in. We'll give it a minute to restart and see what happens. So we heated for about 2 minutes. The idea is to let the plastic relax back into its original position. So far so good. Let's hit the manual button. Let's see if we can get the belt to start. Okay, so it's running. The belt is moving. Try and bring it up to speed here. Everything looks good. Console buttons, speed change all seems to work. I'd say it's fixed. So this is fantastic news. This was a super easy repair. Hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe if this helped you out, and hope it works for your treadmill. So just to follow up, it's been about 2 weeks. This treadmill's been used almost every day for 2 weeks, and everything still works fine. So the hairdryer trick fixing the button seems to have worked well, and hope it works for you.